Yeah, yeah. I'm very, very happy. Like anytime you see me like this, just know that I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. That's just the thing. On the screen right now, you can see this was on Friday. Yes, on Friday, March 28th was on Friday. What I said, called it live this morning during our daily YouTube live session. That means Mr. Suraj suggested this pair. That's one of my very, very loyal students. He said we should look into this pair, which is called GBPCAD. Notice here is just simple concept. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a chart breakdown of how we caught this trade live on our daily YouTube live session. If you don't join that live session, you are missing a lot because all these trades I've been doing the chart breakdown, all the trades we've been cashing, I call 99% of all of them live on our daily YouTube live sessions. So if you want to be part of this, it is absolutely free. Just make sure you subscribe to Down Empire on YouTube, turn on the bell notification. You can also join us on this channel, which is on Telegram. Join us so that anytime I want to have a live session, you will be notified. From here, from YouTube, you can always make sure you join us, Shan. So now look at this. This was, I didn't even know when the trade activated. That's the truth. That's why you know I did not screenshot it when it was just a setup. But my entry has actually proved it. Okay, you can see the entry. It got activated and it's in profit already. I was like, wow. And then this morning, this trade smashed TP. The same trade. Now let's go to the charts. This is the trade right here. You can see the trade right in front of you. It's simple concept, like simplified concept. I learned a lot of smart money concepts, strategy, different approach to smart money that you can trade through smart money concept. But I decided to simplify it, and then that simplicity makes it just effortless for me. Okay, you can see what do I look out for in simple concept strategy. We only look out for three things, and then we look for our entry. You can see just three things. That's why if you still find it trading kind of challenging, you can always you can join our mentorship that will be starting out this month. It is very, very affordable. $50 for group mentorship, $200 for one-on-one, like one-on-one. Oh man, I don't know where else you can see that kind of offer. So take it. Okay. So look at it. We have our manipulation here, simple concept, our break of structure, our inducement, then our entry. Simple. One, two, three. Once we see the one, two, three, the three things we need to look out for in a simple concept strategy, then we look for our entry straight up. And before you know it, pam, we've done like one to two, sharp, sharp. Okay. So even this particular trade right here, it got activated, but so sorry, of course, I didn't take this trade. That's why you didn't see me publicizing this trade. I analyzed this trade. I was waiting. The reason why I didn't take this trade was because I was waiting for confirmation because of some sort of manipulation that I've been seeing around this guy taking out this inducement, breaking structure. All these things is just making me be like, okay, when the trade comes here, I'll look for confirmation before I join the trade. But guess what? The trade activated in the middle of the night, and before I woke up this morning, it has already smashed TP. But guess what? When I woke up this morning to this one, it has already smashed TP. So what are we talking about? Simple concept strategy. So nothing serious. Simple concept. Look for three things and look for your entry. But guess what? It is not as simple as I've said it. But once you understand it, once I let you understand what I understand, then you can also simplify it for yourself like this. That is why the mentorship is very, very important. Okay. I think I posted about the mentorship here. You can see it on my screen right now. Mentorship is very, very affordable. $50, you're going to have a good mentorship for 2 months, which you also have access to recorded session. And guess what? The one-on-one is you know how much I pay for my own one-on-one, because actually one-on-one is the most effective way, from my own experience, to actually learn forex. One-on-one is the most effective way. But of course, some people know that some people are not totally new. Even when they go for group mentorship, they can still decode it, they decode everything without having access to, a personal one-on-one coaching. But anyone is fine. But for me, this is the best you can see while we are having a back-to-back TP smash. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all I have for you for now. So thank you. When we catch another TP, as always, I'll come and do another chart breakdown. Simple concept, nothing serious. Bye from here, guys. Bye bye, guys. No, money made effortlessly. We give glory to God Almighty. Bye, guys. Bye, 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 bye.